Picture cancer cells as tiny athletes waiting on the starting line. Normally, most of them are contained within the colon, limited by surrounding tissue and the body's natural defenses. But when sugary drinks enter the system, a new study published in Nature Metabolism shows that these cells can suddenly lace up their metaphorical running shoes. The sugars they contain, glucose and fructose, combined with the enzyme SORD, act as a unique energy boost, giving cancer cells the power and materials they need to move, divide, and explore new territories in the body. It's not that sugar creates cancer from scratch, but it provides a metabolic edge that can make already present cancer cells more mobile and aggressive, essentially helping them prepare for a dangerous marathon. The research explains that SORD plays a central role in this process, acting as the cell's personal trainer. Glucose fuels the cell's energy demands, powering the legs needed to navigate complex environments. Fructose, transformed by SORD, supplies critical building blocks for cell membranes, nucleotides, and proteins, everything a cell needs to grow stronger and maintain structural integrity during movement. Together, they create an ideal environment for the cancer cell to become motile, increasing the likelihood that it will break away from the original tumor and travel through the bloodstream to distant organs. The sugars are not merely calories, they are strategic resources that cancer cells exploit to enhance their mobility. But this study also offers a sense of hope and control. Understanding exactly how sugary drinks feed cancer cell movement gives researchers a tangible target for intervention. By developing drugs that inhibit SORD or disrupt the pathways that metabolize glucose and fructose in cancer cells, scientists could potentially slow down or even halt metastasis. This would mark a huge step forward in precision cancer therapy, targeting the mechanisms that make cancer dangerous while minimizing damage to healthy tissue. On an individual level, the findings empower people to make dietary choices that directly influence their body's internal environment. Reducing sugary drink intake is a practical, actionable step. Choosing water, unsweetened tea, or naturally flavored sparkling water over sodas and sweetened beverages reduces the metabolic resources available for cancer cells, effectively taking away some of their running shoes. Even small changes, consistently applied, can make a real difference in limiting the conditions that favor cancer progression. This research also underscores the broader concept that lifestyle factors and cellular behavior are deeply interconnected. It reminds us that what we consume has a direct biochemical impact on the microscopic world inside us. By acting thoughtfully on these findings, we can create internal environments that are less favorable for cancer cells while supporting normal cell function and overall health. The study turns a subtle biological insight into something concrete and actionable, giving both researchers and the public ways to influence cancer outcomes proactively. So, sugary drinks may give cancer cells the energy and resources to move, but the knowledge of this process flips the narrative from one of helplessness to one of empowerment. Science has illuminated the pathway, revealed the enzyme driving the mobility, and pointed toward strategies, both lifestyle-based and therapeutic, to slow cancer's spread. Each discovery like this brings us closer to a world where we can intercept cancer's journey before it gains momentum, giving people not only hope but actionable tools to protect their long-term health.